the morning inspection of goats. We still have a cough in here, but the others have been treated already. The big one has started coughing. We've just noticed the cough this morning, so we are going to inject him. So that's the injection. We will repeat if he continues coughing after 2 days. Big boy, never complained with the injection. Morning inspections are important because they allow us to identify problems early. That was easy. No struggle with the needle. Ishak pats the goat and says sorry. This one has a cold and a little bit of a cough. Mark with the red cross to indicate it's under treatment. Marked under treatment.